Hi, to uninstall any application that you have installed on your Mac, there are two ways depending upon how you installed them. As you can see here, the first is if you have installed through the App Store, you can just keep on pressing the app and then it will get deleted. Just open your launchpad and then keep on just tapping the app until you see the cursor button, and then you can see here some applications they have the cross icon and some don't. So the one with the remove button, uninstall icon are from downloaded from the App Store. So just click on the icon to uninstall them. So it's just easy. So like for the other application you didn't see the cursor, so for them what we need to do is go to our finder and then applications, and you can see the application that you have installed. So now you can delete it by two different ways. Let me just delete the Sublime text editor. You can just right click and then click on move to bin, or the other easier way is to just drag it and then move it to the bin. Let me show you how to do it. So this is how you can uninstall the application that has been downloaded from the internet. So as you can see, it has just been removed, and then the icon from dock, you can remove it by right clicking and then remove from dock. Now let me show you how you can restore the application that you have recently deleted that was downloaded from the internet. So go to your bin and then right click to find out put back, and then it will be automatically installed on your computer, and as you can see it's already working. Thanks for watching.